Hello everybody, this is Mahbub in front of you. Today I'm gonna show how to create Google Ads account, add with payment method. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser in your computer, then log in your Google account, that means Gmail account. Follow just simple instruction for Google account create. First one, Google account, that means Gmail account, and second, billing information or payment method. Then go to 9 dot and scroll down and select Google ad icon, then click. You will see two options here, that sign in or start now. Sign in for existing account and start now for create new account. Now click start now because I am creating new account. Then input your business name. I input my business name. Then scroll down, then input your website URL. I input my website URL, but you will input your website URL. Then next, then again next, then skip, then again skip. Leave campaign creation. Then confirm your account settings, billing country, time zone and currency. Then continue. Then confirm your account and payment settings. Account type. If you want to create Google account for organization, then select organize. Or if you want to create your personal, then select individual. Now I am creating Google account for my personal, so I select individual. Then input your card number. I use my card number, but you have to use your card number. Input expire date, then CVC, that means card verification code. Then billing address. I input my address, but you have to use your address. Then city, then zip code, then payment type. You can see two type of payment, on automatic payment, another manual payment. Automatic payments means Google cut your balance automatically. That manual payment type, you have to pay manually before creating campaign. Then no, again no, submit, then finish. Your account is successfully created.